குட் மார்னிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். நம்ம ஏற்கனவே நான் மெட்டலாய்ட்ஸ் டாபிக் இஸ் ஃபினிஷ்டு. ஓகே, ஹெட்டிங்ஸ் மெட்டலாய்ட்ஸ் ஃபினிஷ்டு. மேட்டர் அரவுண்ட் அஸ் லெசன் I will already teach the half units. Remaining half units today I teach. Okay, first of all, compounds. So compounds, what is compounds? A compound is a pure substance that is formed when the atoms of two or more elements combines chemically definite properties. So compound அப்படின்னா டூ ஆர் மோர், ரெண்டு அல்லது அதுக்கு மேற்பட்ட தனிமங்கள் சேர்ந்தது தான் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் காம்பவுண்டு. ஓகே, இதுதான் என்ன காம்பவுண்டு. அடுத்தது காம்பவுண்டில் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் பாருங்கள். எலமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் த காம்பவுண்ட்ஸ். Sodium is a highly reactive solid at room temperature. It burns vigorously when is contact with water. Okay, so examples of table salt, sodium and chlorine, that including of added the chemical of table salt. Okay, then only sugar added for that elements carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Chalk paste, it is a chalk paste, calcium, carbon and oxygen. So three elements including that is one properties. So the chalk. Okay, next one, compound and constitution element. This is compound. Water including of compounds hydrogen and oxygen. So H2O, this is a hydrogen and a constitution of element hydrogen and oxygen. Next one, salt, sodium chloride and chloride. Okay, sodium elements and chloride elements, that is two elements including that sodium chloride. Sodium plus carbonate, so two elements including sodium carbonate. First examples of water, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, oxygen, hydrogen and oxygen. Sodium and chloride. So remaining this box, can you fill that? Okay, then only properties of compounds. So compounds is formed only when constitution elements combine in a fixed proportion. Okay, the properties of compounds are different from those of its constitution element. A compound cannot be broken down physical method. This is because compounds is made up of different elements or chemically combined. Sodium chloride cannot be separated by physical methods such as filtration. That is compound. Okay, elements or compounds, differentiate between of elements or compounds. Elements and element is the simplest substance. Compound is a chemical substance formed a combination of two or more elements. Okay, so elements combine to form compounds. Compounds can be split into elements. Okay, atoms are the fundamental particle of an elements. So compounds molecules, it is a fundamental particles of a compound. Okay, that is elements and fundamental particles of compound, fundamental particles of elements. This is enough. Okay, next one, formula and number of different elements, name of the elements. H2O, so number of elements 2. Okay, number of elements 2. Hydrogen, so name of the elements water. Okay, water, H2O, water molecules. So sodium chloride. So number of elements This then number of name of the elements. Okay, can you write? Then only symbol of an element. Okay, symbol of element. So Dalton's proposed that elements of hydrogen, phosphorus, copper, gold, carbon, sulfur, lead, platinum. So in Dalton symbols. So Dalton symbols of hydrogen, small circles of one atoms including in center point. That is formula of hydrogen. Okay, so phosphorus one circles of three bond, it is enough of phosphorus. Copper, the center of C letters, that is enough to coppers. Those that is symbols of Dalton symbols. Dalton's chemical elements of symbols. Chemical symbols usually consists of one or two letters. The symbols most elements correspond to the first letter which the capitalized their English name. For examples of symbol for the oxygen O, and that for that hydrogen H and hydrogen N. Okay, helium He. So that is elements of carbon C, the gold A, G. That is enough to the elements. Okay, elements represented by single letter symbols of hydrogen, fluorine, oxygen, carbon. Okay, elements phosphorus, sulfurous, potassium, and uranium. That is purpose of elements, that is including all elements, that is proposed by Berzelius. Okay, Berzelius, that is elements of first letters should the elements added for that elements. Okay, that is called as elements. So more elements, then only chemical formulae. Chemical formulae. Often we hear that water is H2O, formula of H2O. Chemical formula for water molecules. This means of each water molecules 2 hydrogen atoms combined with 1 oxygen atoms. So 2 hydrogen atoms, H2, 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atoms. Okay, that is compounds. It provides information about elements present molecule and the number of atoms each element. So sodium chloride's atoms, chemical formulas of cooking salt. Normally using of cooking salt of sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride formula NaCl, sodium chloride. The chemical formula tells us the types of atoms, number of each types of atom, molecules of substance. That is 2 the hydrogen atoms. Okay, 2 atoms of hydrogen atoms. Then only water H2O, sodium chloride, ammonium, glucose, oxygen atoms. So say examples of compounds. Examples names of common compounds. That is including when there are number of pairs O symbols. So O, it is a common elements of present molecules. Okay, oxygen atoms and water molecules. 1 oxygen atoms. Oxygen's 1 atoms is molecules. Atomicity. What is reasons of examples of atomicity? O plus O is equal to O2. So oxygen atoms, oxygen molecules. So 2 molecules, 2 atoms combine with 1 molecules. Okay, 2 atoms combined with 1 oxygen molecules. That is oxygen. Compounds. This is compounds. So 2 or more atoms of compounds. Okay. Similarly, a phosphorus P4 molecules contains 4 atoms. That is 4 atoms. P4 4 atoms. Sulfur 8 molecule 8 sulfur atoms. Okay. Atomicity is the 4 and 8 respectively. Hence there. Okay, 4 and 8 respectively. This is called as atomicity. Okay. Then only elements in air. Air is mixtures of gases. So oxygen, argon, nitrogen. So three elements of mixtures of air. Okay. Nitrogen, oxygen molecules about make up of 90% of the air. Rest including of same amount of argon and carbon dioxides. So other gases of neon, helium and methanes, the present trace amount. Oxygen is the given elements in the air. Okay. Then only effect of temperature on solid, liquid and gases. What happened to matter during heatings? So solid stages of object heated with liquid. So liquid object is heated with evaporation. That is evaporation. Solid examples of ice cube. Ice cube it is solid stage. Then take out place. So melting that is liquid stage. So then only heated. So evaporation of gas, that is gas, that is of status of matter. So okay, some examples of how do hot air balloons float. When you are inside the hot air balloon heated with the burner is expanded, the expansion has the density of the air. The balloon is decreases. Air inside the balloon low density. Air outside the balloons, air outside the balloon. The difference density allows a hot air balloon to float. Okay. Then only three status of matters. Examples of solid and liquids and gases. Solid and liquid and gases. Examples of ice cube. Okay, when solid heated, the particles given energy and vibrate more vigorously. Okay, liquid melting occur when the melting point is reached. The solid changes it is a liquid stage. When liquid is heated, the particles gain energy and vibrated more vigorously. Boiling occurs when the boiling point is reached. The liquid changes it to it is a gaseous stage. Okay, that is enough that lessons. Okay students, then only we have to refer that book, matter around us. Okay, thank you student, thank you.